Hi guys, welcome back. This is Division 5 and today I'll be showing you the circuit board on this guy here. It's a mini charger 12 volt. Let me show you how it works. Now let's go to the circuit board. We have a tip 44 connected to the transformer, a diode connected to the drain of the tip 44, a 220 ohm resistor connected to the transformer, the gate of the tip 44 connected to the resistor, the negative side of the capacitor is a 100 unifarad capacitor connected to the source, a jumping wire connected to the diode, and the positive side of the capacitor, the output positive, the input positive, the ground to the source of the tip 44, and a shield to the AC part. We don't need this part, so we're working only with this part. Now let me zoom in and so that you can see the complete circuit. Here is the complete circuit. We have the input positive, output, input negative, output, and this is our complete circuit on this small 12 volt charger. See, it's working. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe my channel.